Hello everybody, today I want to tell you how to use HTTP client in Laravel. Okay, let's get started. So now I have Laravel project in here. I delete all first. Okay, I delete everything. Okay, right now I will create new controller. I close all, don't save. Okay, so right now I will create new controller. So I type PHP artisan make controller HTTP client controller. Okay, enter. Okay, so right now I got this. Okay, we go to HTTP here. Here we go. So I create one function. It's called what? It's called HTTP client. I just name like this. Okay, and I delete return try. And then I am going to use HTTP get and then URL here. For example, I will have this one, this URL that return this code. So I just copy, I just copy it, and I declare it as JSON. Okay, JSON. So I return JSON to you. Return JSON. Okay. So let's go to setup route. Here we go. I have this controller. I copy. I go to route. Okay. Route web. Okay. So I need to write a route get HTTP client, and then this is a type function. So I need to use this to call my controller in route. Okay, copy this to here, and then I tell it is a class, and then I call function in my controller. I call function in this controller. It is HTTP function here. Okay, so let's the server and then access to this one. Okay, so now this is the root. So I just try like this, and then you see, okay, HTTP not found. So I go to controller, and then I use one packet, use HTTP, just like this also. Okay, you need please refresh, and then it will error with curl with SS, because our web server, like you can see, I copy and paste. It is HTTP, normal HTTP, but in here HTTPS with that is the queue. So right now we go to download the curl SL. We find curl SL/CA, and then we go to document here, document, and then we go to protocol CA struct. Okay, we download certifm here. Okay, I open file location, and then I copy it to C. I just place it in C. Okay, I just here CA. Okay, and then we go to PHP. Okay, so right now I use this PHP, so we go to PHP ini and click edit it. Okay, at the end of extension I just type curl.ca info equal this one. Okay, I just click save. Alright, so right now I will serve my server again, restart server and serve again. Okay, so now we go to here and then reload it. Okay, as you can see now it is returned by JSON. It is the same, you see, it is the same because I ran this plugin. You see, user ID 1, ID 1. For example, I change. For example, I change to other one. For example, album. You see here, album will show like this. So I just copy and go to here. Just change it. Save. And then I reload it. Okay, this is JSON result. So this is how Laravel HTTP client works. So that's all. Hope that you can do it well, and if you have any question you can ask me for more.